Okay, I'm doing an unboxing here. This here stapler. Well, I can't believe the price I only paid for. Guess what? $2. So, guess what? This is new old stock. So I'm going to unbox it for you here. Because being that this being the box, it's pretty dry. A little battered here. The owner's manual here. That is the important part of it. Oh, the invoice. Should not have seen this, but they screwed up here. The price would have been about $104. I really got a bug in here, huh? And an invoice there. That's weird. Invoice this. That is not good. Somebody boo-booed. Well, this is the power supply of this. That is important. This will look like display model. Display model. Gonna have to get this out of here. Now, pretty much there. How am I gonna get this out of here now? Now, see this here? Well, who needs a manual? Oh, I do. It's important. Now, don't know where to load this, but I have to find that out now. Put your staples in here. Now, that's easy. Set the controls. Another thing down here. I haven't really figured that out yet. But this is important. The owner's manual, the most important part of all of this. Well, this is the most important part. The owner's manual. Remember, this is yours. I'm gonna have to go through this and read this, but what do you get? I will show you here. Oops. Now it's end up on the floor. That's no good. What do you get? That the owner's manual. This, the power supply thing. All this and this. We'll put in this box here. So this is unboxing new old stock. Couldn't believe price $2. So log over.